Luxury meets performance in the 2025 BMW X4. Is this sporty SUV worth the hype? From its jaw-dropping design to its AI-powered tech, we're breaking down everything you need to know. Buckle up because this one's a game changer. The 2025 BMW X4 turns heads with its bold, muscular stance. The redesigned kidney grille now features an illuminated contour, flanked by sleek adaptive LED headlights. Sculpted side panels, a muscular hood, and 20-inch alloy wheels give it an aggressive yet elegant presence. At the rear, L-shaped LED taillights and a sporty diffuser complete its futuristic appeal. This isn't just an SUV. It's a statement. Step inside, and the X4 welcomes you with a driver-focused cockpit that screams luxury. Premium leather upholstery, open-pore wood trims, and ambient lighting create a sophisticated vibe. The curved digital dashboard integrates a massive 9-inch infotainment touchscreen powered by iDrive 9, featuring AI-powered voice control. Add in the M Sport steering wheel, heated seats, and a panoramic sunroof, and you've got a cabin that's as comfortable as it is stylish. Under the hood, the 2025 X4 packs a punch with its 3.0L turbocharged inline-6 engine, delivering 382 horsepower. Thanks to M hybrid technology, it's not just powerful, it's efficient too. BMW doesn't skimp on tech. The X4 comes loaded with a head-up display, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, and a 16-speaker Harman Kardon sound system. Safety is top-notch, with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360 degrees cameras, and an AI-powered collision avoidance system. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the X4 has your back. It comes with a price tag of $50,000. Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content from Torque Tribe Hub. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.